Hello everyone, let's continue from where we left off talking about modules. Let's start by creating our own module and name it my_module1. In this file, we will add two functions and a variable as it shows. Now, in a new file within the same directory, let's create our code. We start by importing our module, import my_module1. Once we do so, now we can access the functions and the variables by using the module name followed by dot, then the function or the variable as you can see. We can use this technique to define all our functions in a file and then use another file for our main code. Python comes with many built-in modules that provide a lot of useful functionalities for our codes. We will go over a couple of them and then we will practice those concepts through the class project in the next video. We will start with datetime module. This module is one of the most commonly used for dealing with time and date. Let's import the module and assign the current date and time to an object. The star after the word import indicates that we want to import everything in the module. In this example, datetime.now will return the current date and time from the module datetime and store it in the variable date_time_now. We can use the time delta function to shift any part of the date or time. Let's shift the days by 1. We can shift them back as well. Let's go back 10 days. You can always visit the Python documentation for a list of everything any module has. Our second module is the math module. It gives you access to a lot of math functionalities to use directly, such as finding the square root of a number, calculating factorials, and much more. The math.pow returns the value of x raised to the power y. The math.sqrt returns the square root for the number x. The math.floor returns the largest integer not greater than the number x. The math.ceil returns the smallest integer value greater than the number x. The math.factorial returns the factorial of desired number x. Another very useful module is random, which includes pseudo-random number generators for various distributions. The random.randet returns an integer number from the specified range x to y. The random.random returns a random floating number between 0 and 1. That's all for this video about modules. I will see you next to summarize our class and discuss the class project.